Welcome to my current train channel and the Whiskey Creek Railway. You are always asking for news of the construction. Here we are rebuilding the inside retaining wall that will be after the bridge, the steel bridge. The outside was put on unmoved earth and has been very solid. Unfortunately, the inside was put on freshly, about 10 years ago, on freshly put clay, and over the years it has become a little bit wavery and it also fell inside. So we are going down to the foundation of the wall to realign everything so that eventually we are going to be able to put the bridge. A lot of work, as you can see. I have already a few pieces of the bridge that are here, and very likely we are going to put in place the footers of the bridge. I am also taking advantage of the situation when we speak about the silver mine. So on the left, in the background, you see the track which is going to the silver mine, so the diamond crossing and the perpendicular track going to the silver mine. And here I have a walking passage. Unfortunately, the way it was put together, or it's because it was not finished, the water flows back to the mine. So we have leveled the floor, and you can see it's almost horizontal, so that the water now is going to get out of the mine. So I am walking inside for you, and excuse me, you see my shadow with the light. So here is the end of the track. Partial retention walls, so the incoming track, and here we have the walking passage. So this is what we are making flat, and I'm going to put a drain pipe so that the water flows outside of the mine. Right now I have a puddle inside, because it was a river slope. Here we go. Some views of the track, and it's all construction, so it's all in progress. And I'm going to go back to the wall. That will be done well once and for all. It looks almost like a tranchée in between the two walls. If you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section below the video, and thank you for watching this video.